Crazy exam cheating gadgets for student available on Amazon. Ever been in a situation where you need to jump up and answer the question as quickly as possible? It's no secret that students have been using some pretty ingenious methods to cheat for years. But these days, there are so many different ways of doing it, from spyglasses to smartwatches right up until drones. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best cheating gadgets for students that are available on Amazon. Before we begin, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get access to more contents like this from us. So if you haven't heard yet, there's a new cheating gadget called an unscannable barcode that can rip off your teacher, yeah, just like that. It was invented by the same people who created our favorite GPS goggle tracker. So how does it work? Well, it doesn't have to do anything but sit there on your arm. When the clock starts ticking down, then you scan it into your phone or laptop via Bluetooth. When you get to your exam, just let the device do all the work so you can focus on being super sly about it. Our second favorite is the anti-surveillance glasses. Now these are pretty cool because they make you look like a total dweeb, but it's the smallest camera on Amazon. It even comes with some history lessons about how there were dweebs who had this technology back in like 1940s Germany. And if Hitler was still around today, he would be 134 years old by now. He would probably use one of these babies to communicate with his homeboy Tesla. Here's another one. This is called the invisible Bluetooth earpiece. Just stick it in your ear and make sure the cord isn't showing, then when you're called on to answer a question simply push this button here and bam. You got all the answers right in your head like magic. Alright, now moving on, here's another great cheat gadget for all you 12-year-olds, who are just getting your feet wet in the world of cheating. It's called the undetectable keylogger. Now this is basically a USB keyboard or mouse that is only detectable by the teacher if they have X-ray vision, and who knows how many teachers actually do. The next product is called the micro earpiece, and it looks like any other Bluetooth earpiece, but small enough to hide in your ear. Now if your mom ever asks why you're talking to yourself, just tell them it's because you have a friend on the phone that has something very important to tell you, and this will totally work because people have been saying that for decades. And our next gadget is called an X-ray vision glasses. Now these are pretty cool, so if someone ever accuses you of cheating, just take one look at their test paper via X-ray vision and then bam. No more witch hunt. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can only use the X-ray vision glasses once per test. Next up is the safe cracking combination lock, because if your teacher doesn't give you a combination, then it's basically like telling you to go ahead and crack this thing open yourself. You can even get some pretty cool numbers for your birthday or other special occasions. And next we have one of our favorite products, the stink bomb. Just let one of these babies go off in front of your teacher's desk and they'll be so distracted that they won't know what hit them. And if that doesn't work, just call the cops and say you smelled something suspicious outside. Honestly, it works every time, so keep this one in mind for future use. Our next favorite is called the spy cam shirt button, and it actually has two different modes, video and photo. And when in photo mode, make sure you rotate this thing around so that it's facing away from you, otherwise people will see what's going on real time inside your webcam screen. Next we're going to talk about is called the study buddy. Now this one doesn't have any audio or visual capabilities, but it does serve as a reference system. Just let her hang out on your arm and she'll whisper some quick facts in your ear when you're taking a test. Our next favorite is called the hand warmer and cable TV. Now it looks just like any other regular USB cable, but you can plug it into the wall and heat up your hands at the same time. If they ask what's inside of your USB, make sure to say, it's a hand warmer. Our next product is called the anti-spy cam shorts, and it looks just like a regular pair of shorts, but if you need to take a peek behind your shoulder, then just press this button here and a mirror will pop out. Our next product is called the anti-microphone earbuds, because everyone has that time when they're on their phone listening to music or talking on Skype with someone, and then suddenly they walk into the library and people stare at them like, what are you doing? Just tell them that your phone's microphone went out, but these babies still work perfectly. Our next product is called the class president badge holder. Now once your teacher sees this thing on your chest, they'll know right away that you're 100% not cheating somehow. Our next product is called the wall mount highlighter. If you need to highlight something on your teacher's face, Then just take this out of your backpack and prop it up against the wall to cause distraction. We have the hidden pencil box. Did you ever wish you can look at your notes in front of you, but without anyone noticing it? The most affordable and straightforward solution for you. Pencil box is made of transparent colorful plastic. From a distance, it looks like any other regular pencil box, but once it's close to your eyesight you can see through it and hide your notes inside. Your notes will not be noticeable to others, since they will camouflage with your items inside the pencil box. And if someone gets suspicious, just turn it on the side. Keep it simple and see your answers in front of you. And lastly, we have the Zero E Smart Hat. Zero E is not your ordinary hat. It uses bone conduction technology and allows you to listen to music without earphones. Zero E is a hat with 4 built-in bone conduction speakers. With this technology, you can listen to music or make phone calls, without earphones, while being aware of your surroundings. Zero E is water resistant, easy to use, and convenient on the go. Bone conduction is a way of transmitting sound. Sound waves are transmitted at a frequency that can be conducted through the bones of the skull. Zero E doesn't block the outside sound, so it can be used in normal environment conditions. Zero E has 4 bone conduction speakers, compared to only 2 from competitors, which allows for an enhanced clarity of sound. Zero E can be worn at any time of the day regardless of the weather condition or the setting. Zero E allows you to have an open ear which lets you be aware of your surroundings. One charge can last up to 5 hours. Due to the different designs and colors Zero E offers, it can be worn with any preferred outfit. If you are a student trying to cheat your way through an exam, these crazy cheating gadgets will help. From glasses that can project the answer onto the paper in front of you to earbuds with voice recording capabilities, these devices offer so many different ways for students to get around studying. Whether you want something simple or complex, there is definitely something here for every type of cheater out there. These tools may not be cheap, most cost over $100, and one costs almost $500, but if they make cheating on exams easier and more discreet than ever before, then it could be worth the investment. Which device would be perfect for your next exam? Tell us in the comment section below and make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel to see all our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.